Make horseradish mustard. A spicy alternative to a basic condiment. Learn how to make this simple recipe that will impress even the toughest food critics. Spicy horseradish mustard adds a little kick and turns even the most ordinary meal into a new experience. Step 1. Gather the ingredients. 1 clove garlic, 1 tablespoon freshly grated horseradish or 2 tablespoon bottled horseradish, 1/3 cup dry mustard, 1/2 cup white wine vinegar, 1/2 cup hot water, 1 teaspoon sugar, 2 teaspoons salt, pinch of allspice, pinch of pepper. Step 2. Make the mustard base. Combine the hot water and dry mustard together and whisk until they are thoroughly mixed. Let the mixture sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Step 3. Blend the spices. In a blender, puree the white wine vinegar, garlic, horseradish, salt, pepper, sugar, and allspice. To get rid of large pieces, strain the mixture with a cheesecloth after it is pureed. Step 4. Heat the mixture. Combine the mustard base and pureed spices in the top part of a double boiler for about 5 minutes. If you don't have a double boiler, simply combine the two mixtures in a Pyrex or stainless steel bowl and place the bowl on top of a pot that has a few inches of boiling water in it. Leave it on for about 5 minutes. After the mustard has been heated, let it thicken up and cool. Zach Boggs is a freelance journalist with articles written on a variety of topics ranging from crafts to cars to cooking.